Page number 137, question number 13. From the following transactions, prepare various subsidiary books with column of expense in the books of Sargent Traders. 2015 August 1. Purchase goods of 20,000 from Viramgam stores at 10% trade discount, value added tax 5%, railway freight 1,000, invoice number 171. कौन से book में आएगा? Purchase book. Okay. Recording purchase book 2015 August 1. Viramgam stores. Account. Bill number 171. Goods net 80,000. Value added tax 5%. 900. Railway freight 1,000. So 19,900. Next, purchase goods. Purchase goods of 30,000 from Manisha. Value added tax 5%. Railway freight 1,200. Carriage 400. Invoice number 204. So record this August 5. Manisha. Account. Bill number 204. 30,000. Value added tax 5%, so 1,500. Railway freight 1,200. Carriage 400. $23,100. Around 33,100. Okay. Now, 11 transactions. Sold goods of 15,000 to Dattu Corporation at 10% trade discount. Value added tax 10%. Railway freight 900. Carriages 450. Invoice number 231. Which book? Sales book. So 2015. August 11. Dattu Corporation, bill number 231. Goods net 15,000 minus 10%, so 13,500. Value added tax 10%, 1350. Railway freight 900. Carriages 450. 16,200. Entire goods, 16th bill. Entire goods purchased from Manisha sold to Alia after adding 20% profit on cost. Value added tax 5%, railway freight 1,200, carriage 300. That's all fine. Let's first calculate the amount. Entire goods purchased from Manisha. We purchased goods of 30,000. 30,000 का goods purchase किया, was sold to Alia. So cost 30,000 plus 20% profit 6,000. So how much? 36,000. Do we have trade discount? No. Let's write sales book में Alia account 16. Bill number 232. 36,000. Value added tax 5%, so 1,800. Railway freight 1,200. Carriage 300. 39,300. एटीन को मार्क करो इम्पोर्टेंट 18 को मार्क करो इम्पोर्टेंट नाउ ध्यान देना प्लीज goods what we purchased from Manisha we sold to Alia. Now Alia is returning 50% of the goods which we will return to Manisha. Okay, so let's read. Alia returned 50% of the goods sold to her. Proportionate amount of value added tax, railway freight and carriage were given credit. So 50% of goods net, 50% of value added tax, 50% of railway freight and 50% of carriage. And then these goods were immediately returned to Manisha, received proportionate amount credit for value of again value added tax, railway freight and carriage. Let's write sales return first. August 18. Alia account. Credit note number 15. Directly 36,000 ka half. So 18,000. VAT ka bhi credit 900. Railway freight 600. 150. 19,650. Very simple. पता चल गया ना सबको? पता चल गया ना सबको? Okay. Next. Over here. 2015. August 18. वही सारा goods हमने किसको वापस कर दिया? मनीषा को. Debit note number 30. Goods net will become 15,000, 750, 600, 16,550. All of you understood this? Yes. Okay. Next, sold goods of 30,000 to Shrestha Corporation. Value added tax 5%, carried 250, railway freight 600, invoice number 240. Sales book में आ जाओ. 20th Shrestha Corporation account. Bill number 240. 30,000. 5% VAT, so 1,500. Carriage is 250. Railway freight 600. 32,350. Purchased furniture from Gandhi Furniture Mart. Write a note. August 25th. Credit purchase of furniture will be recorded in journal proper. Will be recorded in journal proper. 27th, again market important, there is a different point over here. 27th, Dattu Corporation returned 50% of the goods sold. Only proportionate, ध्यान दो please, only proportionate amount of VAT was given credit. So Dattu, when return goods to us, इसका directly 50%, VAT का 50%, but no information is given for railway freight and carriage. So we will not record anything over here. Understood this? Okay, so let's record sales return 27th. the corporation account. Credit note number 16. Now directly half of this, so 6750. Half of this, so 675. But no credit for railway freight or carriage. Understood this? Okay. 7425. August 28 and August 30, we have to write a note because August 28 is purchase goods of 10,000 from Raju on cash. 28 cash purchase will be recorded in cash book. And 30th, sold goods of 15,000 on cash. So cash sales will be recorded in cash book. From the following transactions, prepare various subsidiary books in the books of Sri Asha Traders, showing columns for various expenses. 2015 April 1, purchase from Juveria Corporation, goods of 10,000 at 10% trade discount, value added tax 5%, railway freight 500, invoice number 21, purchase book 2015. April 1, Juveria Corporation, bill number 21, goods 10,000, 10%, so 9,000, VAT is 5%, so 450, railway freight 500, carriage not there, 9,950. April 5th, Purchase goods of 15,000 from Mansi. Value added tax 5%, railway freight 400. Carriage 200. Invoice number 40. Fifth. Mansi account. Bill number 40. 15,000. 5%, so 750. Railway freight 400. Carriage 200. 16,350. Sold goods 10th transaction. Dated 10. Sold goods of 12,000 to Salvi Corporation at 10% trade discount. Value added tax 10%, carriage 300, railway freight 800. Invoice number 60. Sales book 2015. April 10. Salvi Corporation. Outward invoice number 60. Goods net 10,800. Value added tax 10%, 1080. Carriage 300 and railway freight 800. 12,980. 12,980. Entire goods, 15 transaction, market important, 15, 17. Entire goods purchased from Mansi, sold to Karan at 20% profit on cost. So we purchase goods, cost is 15,000. Profit is how much? 20%, so 3,000. 18,000. Sales book 15. Current account. Bill number 70. 18,000. VAT 5%, so 900. Railway freight 600. Carriage 200. 19,700. (17) transaction. 50% of the goods returned by Karan. Proportionate value added tax, railway freight and carriage. So everything were given credit. Credit note number 5. Let's record sales return 2015. April 17. Current account. Credit note number 5. Goods net 50%, so directly 9,000. VAT 450. Railway freight 300. Carriage of 100. 9850. Now, what all we purchased from Mansi, we sold to Karan. Karan returned half. The same goods we are going to return it to Mansi. Now let's read this goods. Immediately returned to Mansi. Proportionate value added tax, railway freight and carriage were given credit by her. Debit note number 8. Purchase return 2015. April. April 17. Mansi account. Debit note number 8. Goods net 7,500. 375. 200. And 100. So 8. 175. 20th date. Sold goods of 10,000 to Maruf on, there is a mistake. Sold goods of 10,000 to Maruf जो है ना, on cash को cut कर दो. It's a printing mistake. To Maruf. Okay, so we have to record it. Record करना पड़ेगा ना. Okay, और last जो है ना, sold goods of 11,000 to Rutu, उसमें लिख दो at 5% cash discount on cash. So Rutu will not come, but Maruf will come. पता चल गया सबको? Okay, recorded 20th in sales book. Maruf account. Bill number 75. 10,000. Value added tax 5%, so 500. Carriage of 60 and railway freight of 100. 10660. Purchase furniture of 10,000 from Jai. So credit purchase of furniture. Will be recorded in journal proper. Next, Salvi traders return half of the goods 25th. ध्यान देना please. Salvi traders return half of the goods. Value added tax 540, carriage 150, and railway freight 400 were credited to them. Credit note number 6. So लिखो sales return में April 25th. Salvi account. Credit note number 6. Half of the goods 5,400. VAT 540. Carriage is 150 and railway freight 400. So total comes to 6490. 26 purchase goods of 10,000 from Nivanjal on cash. Write a note 26. Cash purchase will be recorded in cash book. 30th. Sold goods of 11,000 to Rutu at 5% cash discount on cash. So again, cash sales will be recorded in cash book. Let's do the totals.